Honda generator, 12K. So the battery won't charge. Soon as I disconnect the battery, it's die. The engine dying, and so what's the problem is this guy. It's I believe it's a voltage regulator. So it's located here where the ignition switch, and it's on there. I already installed it, different good one. So there's just unscrew these bolts, few bolts, and it's on the other side. So as soon as I change it, I able start it, disconnect my battery, and it's still running without the battery. So basically if it's not charging, it's just gonna die and drain your battery every time. And it's also same thing on this 12K, and the same thing on 9500. Same, I believe it's the same voltage regulator. I don't know, this some type of numbers is 9.0192F. So okay, thank you for watching. I hope it helps somebody.